And now let's welcome कोणार्क के रोशनी खेल का प्रकाश, कोणार्क किंग्स है जीत का विश्वास। स्वागत करते हैं कोणार्क किंग्स।
Yeah, the Konark Kings need to really stand up to the expectations of the team from the past is actually hovering around their head. It's really important for them to start off nicely against the winning side as the officials make sure. And Chambal challenges alongside with Ajay Maravi was a little bit of over dependence for them on one radar, but then there we are with the Chambal challengers, Lokesh Porte and Khemchand Porte, both a combination in the corners, and then Mulchand Sahu and Poolchand
करना पड़ा है। लेकिन यहाँ पे कोणार्क किंग्स के जो 7 खिलाड़ी है वो स्क्रीन पे राजेश देवरी कमाल के खिलाड़ी है, लेकिन उनको दूसरे खिलाड़ियों का साथ चाहिए।
In the main umpire position, he will give the go ahead to raid for the Konark Kings, right to left. The raid begins as Rajesh goes in. Navneet, first impressions, Rajesh, I think he probably needs to shed a bit of a weight, isn't it? Because this mat, it requires a lot of fitness, it requires a lot of agility. He may have the strength, he may.
Of course, हमारे पास है नीलेश, लेकिन आपने कहा कि 10 किलो उन्हें घटाने की जरूरत है। एग्जैक्टली वेट तो नहीं पता, पर निश्चित रूप से काफी वेट घटाने की जरूरत है और उससे मिलेगी एजिलिटी। और अगर आपके पास कबड्डी में एजिलिटी नहीं है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, तब तो बहुत मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ेगा और करियर आपका लंबा नहीं रहेगा।
बिल्कुल, जैसे यहाँ पर मुश्किलात का सामना किया मूलचंद ने, wanted to take that bonus and then the left cover came in with a nice block, and you talk about agility and power. Kunal's got Kunal Boy, as I was mentioning about him, from the left cover went in for the dash. Yeah, we've seen Kunal as well in the other versions. Oh, there's another defender stepping into the lobby. That's not the right way for the Chambal Challengers to start.
Number 3 out of bound.
Yeah, right. And there was no touch point. I think Lokesh Potre in that left corner. We just didn't catch that on the replay, but it had to be a little earlier than that. Yeah, the instance actually went ahead earlier than that. But speak of Ajay Maravi and how he was under the shadows of the others as Khemchand Porte has come into raid. Probably a raider, Navneet, being slotted at the right corner. Now again, see, this is what the Chambal challengers need to get it right. Whether a raider or a defender, just make sure you're always correct. Is there another defender going into the lobby? Yes, another right corner.
33 out of bound.
Imbalances himself and gets into the lobby. Oh my God. So 233s on both the sides have now been dislodged because of their imbalance.
Absolutely, आपने 33 की बात की। 33 एक जाना पहचाना जर्सी जो क्रिकेट के क्षेत्र में जाना जाता है। और चंबल चैलेंजर्स की बात अगर करेंगे, यहाँ पर देखिए राजेश देवरी, भले वो फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन खेल इनका बहुत ही शानदार। 9 आउट। और अब
absolutely top notch. Mulchand Sahu generally had to concentrate on his raiding front. See, he's got the power. I completely agree that he's got the power. He's got that, brute force, Rajesh. But the fitness, as you said, Navneet, very much in agreement with you that his career needs to go long. He needs to shed a lot of weight, at least 8-10 kilos. So that's what he should be thinking of. But then Ajay Maravi, how well has he groomed himself to come into the fold, be the lead raider and be the captain of the team. That's very nice, as the bonus is off because it's only 5 defenders. The line behind the balk line, the first line after the midline when a raider is raiding in, is called the balk line, and the line behind that is the bonus line. So now it is off because the bonus will be active only when there are 6 or 7 defenders on the mat. And yeah, the bonus achieving skill also is something else, because the landing foot should cross the bonus line and the trailing foot should be in the air. And the reason why we repeat ourselves with the rules also is, Navneet, as we know that we are also garnering in to new territories. 134th raid point to Ajay Maravi with that brilliant escape.
बहुत रूल्स जानना जरूरी है और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि मैं अपने घर में जहाँ रहता था उसके सामने एक मैदान हुआ करता था और वहाँ पे 10-12 साल के बच्चे कबड्डी खेल रहे थे और वो 30 सेकंड वाला रूल अप्लाई कर रहे थे। यहाँ पर देखिए, पर नवीन, जब हम बचपन में खेला करते थे कबड्डी तो ये 30 सेकंड का रूल नहीं रखते थे और जितने देर सांस रहती थी, जितने देर होल्ड कर सकते थे वैसे खेलते थे। लेकिन ये बच्चे 30 सेकंड वाला रूल अप्लाई कर रहे थे, ये 10 साल के बच्चे।
Wow, that's really nice to listen to. Chain tackle from the left cover, and the chain does not break. Backtracking from the raider instead of anti-block and turning towards the lobby. That was the error. That's where Ravi Sahu got his first tackle point. Chambal challenges his first tackle point. That one. Yeah, the 30-second rule is definitely a must, because nice to see the youngsters also following the game. India's, I won't call it top second game, I'll just call it a game which probably will become India's top-notch game very soon, very soon, because this is easy to play, no gadgets required, no big plays required. Ankle hold attempt, I think he's got 2 points. Once again, Rajesh is very swift. He may look stout, he may look a little bulky, but look at that for the agility. Once again, it's Mulchand. What is happening with him? Once he tried it on the left corner, now he tried it on the right corner for an ankle hold against Rajesh. And how many times have we said, Navneet, that the players need to stop personal ego games? No personal vengeance against one player. That needs to stop.
बिल्कुल, आपने पर्सनल वेंजेंस की बात की और कबड्डी की आप तारीफ कर रहे थे। यहाँ पे देखिए, मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएंगे नवीन। यहाँ पर धर लिए गए हैं, दबोच लिए गए हैं, पकड़ लिए गए हैं और मूलचंद, इस बार आपको कोई चांद नहीं मिलेगा, आपको खाली हाथ जाना पड़ेगा।
Right. And once again, Bhupendra Raut. Wow. Solo tackle, almost blocking, and then the shoulder lock. When you lock the shoulders, the dangling hand will not come into good effect. Wonderful. Bhupendra Raut is doing good for Konark Kings on that left corner. That's nice to see. Correction, this is not Rajesh. This is another raider who's come in. It is Karunakar Behra. As Karunakar Behra runs in, probably, yeah, with an empty raid. That's it. Just runs towards the left corner, comes back. So 50th match for the Chambal Challengers in the history of Yuva Kabaddi Series. Nice to see that this is an amazing feat that they have achieved. So many players the Chambal Challengers have produced in the past. There are many players, many fit guys, and Ajay Maravi was the third raider of the team. And now he's grown to become the leading raider and the captain. See, that is the advantage, Navneet, isn't it, in Yuva Kabaddi Series? It's not that the raid will have to be restarted because they're going in for the review. What a bonus point review, maybe?
Bonus point. TV umpire.
Yeah, correct.
Chambal Challenger challenge, bonus point. Our decision, no bonus. Please review.
If you're not 100% sure, don't take the review for a bonus point, is what we always say, because it's not a do or die raid. And also, maybe you may lose the review, but I'm happy that there is one review per half. The only point now is, Navneet, if the bonus is available or it's been stolen, the do or die raid may be averted. That's the only thing. But let's focus our concentration and attention towards Ajay Maravi as he attempts the bonus point. Looks clear, but the trailing foot, that's a big question. Is it in the air? Now, this is a classic example of how the bonus point needs to be taken. See, there are 6 and more defenders on the mat. The left leg is his landing leg, and his right leg is the trailing leg, which should be in the air at the time of the left leg landing. I don't see a daylight, I don't see a shadow.
Thank you,
On
sir.
the mat,
Review
and his legs
unsuccessful.
probably
No
is landing
bonus
at the
point.
same time. That is why no bonus.
Your first half
Brilliant
review is
decision
over.
from
No
the
bonus.
television umpire. Yeah, and the reviews lost because he was landing both the legs at the same time. Ajay Maravi shouldn't have gone for the review because it was not a do or die raid, or it was not a raider in contention to go out on the bench. Unbelievable. That green light will become red very soon for the Chambal challengers. No review of that as Rajesh now walks in. Navneet, this is his skill and test of his skills. 4 defenders, only brute force can't help you, my friend. You need to be agile. You need to turn towards the lobby. Yeah, see, in less number of defenders, it is tough for Rajesh to escape.
Hey,
एब्सोल्युटली। और मैं इस चीज को दूसरे एंगल से सोचने की कोशिश कर रहा था। मैं सोच रहा था कि जनरली अगर आप कुश्ती करते हैं तो अगर किसी का वेट ज्यादा होता है और दूसरे का कम होता है तो आपको एडवांटेज रहता है, इसीलिए वेट कैटेगरीज रहता है नवीन। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या वेट का भी एडवांटेज हो सकता है, शायद 1-on-1 में हो जाए, शायद 1 और 2 में हो जाए, और बहुत सारे डिफेंडर्स रहेंगे तो आपके लिए मुश्किल होगी।
Probably, I think Navneet, that's the other way around. As Konar King now wants the do or die raid to come in. Gone in for a quick raid. Now that's a do or die raid. This is interesting. That is why Ajay Maravi on that bonus review was very adamant to get that bonus point. Ajay Maravi, he now needs to really get a point. The bonus is on. He does not want to try it. We'll come back to the main discussion after this. The cover is just getting highline. He's done well. Going back, Bhupendra Rahul. Wow! That's his third tackle point.
Kings.
Fabulous work. And I love the way he lets the chain go and comes in front of the raider and blocks the raider's angle, Navneet. Watch this. This is the third time that he's done this. Yeah, number 3, Bhupendra Rao, third time, letting the chain go, blocking the raider. And then, the support system comes in. Actually, Navneet, the big that he was speaking about, before the gave in, the big category, probably very sparsely existed. It wasn't too very correct and another do or die raid here. This is very nice. I mean, hang on, does he know it's a do or die raid? Does he know it's a do or die raid?
Chambal challenges. Please come.
Hang on.
Somebody.
It wasn't a do or die raid, maybe.
Out.
Yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't. Correction, because the next trade is supposed to be a do or die. Because Rajesh got out in the previous raid. And then this raid happened. The next trade for the Konar Kings is a do or die. Sujit kicks. Wow, comes in from the bench. Sujit Lorkar is coming and he kicks.
1 point. Chambal challenges.
So the weight
Jersey number 77 out.
category came in very strongly after the professional league, and the reason why that was done is because to avoid injuries, to avoid a lot of injuries. 85 kilos is what the weight players actually under it. And now, Navneet, this is your do or die raid for Rajesh.
यह डू और डाई रेड, और यहाँ पर आसानी से राजेश को वो टच पॉइंट मिला और हाथ मिला करके
Konar Kings.
चीज को
Jersey
स्वीकार
number 3
किया।
out.
अपने कोर्ट में बेहद बहुत आराम से गए हैं। देखिए और
he's a
Hey.
See, even the Hi-Fi is not able to go in the other way. This is not a do or die raid. Sorry, the graphics is just acting cranky here Sunday morning. This is not a do or die raid. And because Sujit got a point in the previous raid, so he's come back for another raid. Back kick, gets the right corner. Wow!
1 point.
Sujit Solkar.
Chambal challenges. Jersey
Couple
number
of raids
23 out.
back to back, Navneet, and he is probably the right arrow to support Ajay Maravi in this lineup.
Right.
No, this is nice. He's tall, he's fit, he's good. And 2 days back to back coming in from the bench, he's performed. And sorry again, this is not a 2-out raid. Sorry for that graphic. Because Rajesh took the point in the previous raid as well. So when you saw Rajesh taking the point, Navneet, his sci-fi also was a little not convincing, isn't it? He's very good when it comes to 6 or 7 defenders or even 5. But when the numbers go down, it is a struggle for him. That's why I say he needs to shed a little weight.
एब्सोल्युटली, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। और शायद एक दो एरिया में आपको वेट का एडवांटेज मिल जाए, पर अगर आपको ऑल राउंड प्रदर्शन करना है तो वो फिटनेस बेहद जरूरी।
Chambal challenges. This is
Wow,
Bucky out.
absolutely correct. And look at what Sujit Sonkar has done. He's kicked the danger man out. Bhupender Raut, for the very first time, has been touched and kicked on the bench. Whoa, ankle hold. Chambal challenges are fighting back.
Right
Now
out, 1
Moolchand
point.
gets the
Chambal
ankle
challenges.
perfectly right. And Sujit Sonkar, Navneet, is coming from the bench and he's got 3 touch points in 3 consecutive raids. And Niroj here couldn't escape with an ankle hold because there were 2 guys. Now Sujit Sonkar. Where was he hiding? Even in yesterday's match, he just did not come out there and perform like this. Manish Yadav, the coach, actually using him as a little secret weapon. Come out there and 3 raids, Navneet, he's got 3 points.
या बिल्कुल। और आप चाहते हैं कि इस तरीके से वो जो कंसिस्टेंट,
Even before we go ahead and dissect what the coach has said, Navneet, I want you to first say what was the language that Biswajit Bhattacharya actually spoke. Was it Oriya?
no, he was speaking in Hindi. It's just that some of the words were in Odia, very few. But अगर मैं उनकी स्टाइल को देखूं, तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि कुछ बात जैसे वो बोल रहे थे, ये कोना वो कोना, ये तो बिहार के लोग बोलते हैं इस तरीके।
नहीं, Manish Yadav, the Chambal Challenges coach, I'm sure he spoke in Hindi. I understood what he spoke. He wanted Ajay Maravi to just save himself for the other matches coming in. I think Ajay Maravi's got a little nickel in his hand. That is why Sujit Sonkar comes in, gets his 4th point. Fabulous kick. That back kick is so strong. And to take out Biswajit on that left corner, rather right corner, was phenomenal. Yeah, very good. So I understood what Manish Yadav said, but the Konark Kings coach was wearing that red jersey, came in, and I guess he spoke Oriya, because I'm really unfamiliar with Oriya. The other languages, yes, very much familiar.
Odia is very similar to.
Claims a point. He's got the running hand catch.
That's the number.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, Odia is very similar to Bengali, and yeah, both the states are like the neighbors. और अच्छे अगर ओडिया की बात करें, ओडिया is one of the classical languages of India. Apart from these 4 languages, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, और additions भी हुई है, संस्कृत। तो classical languages में ओडिया भी आता है।
Wow, lovely. The language of property being taken across 23 states for the very first time, Navneet. This is happening in edition 11. No other, the so-called professional leagues or anything haven't touched upon 23 states. Wow, that's massive. And I really feel that we are actually running in for a Ranji of sorts with Kabaddi. Because Ranji is the only way where there is so much cricket being played every district as a team. Actually, Maharashtra has 3 teams in the Ranji. As Rajesh gets a bonus point. Yeah, something like that. Maharashtra, what a state. Awesome. It's the financial state of India. And here the finances of Moolchand has been crumbling down. Because he was going in for a FD and he was also going in for the mutual fund. Both at the same time. My God. See, he went in for the running, he went in for the toe touch, then went in for the hand touch, then did not get anything away. just got crumpled in. A nice cross tackle there from Kamaraju. Yeah, Maharashtra. It's rich in finances, it's rich in sport, whether it's cricket or kabaddi. Kabaddi is massive. And again, ankle hold by Lokesh. Nice work.
1 point.
How many associations?
Challenges.
Navneet, we've got Maharashtra Cricket Association, we've got Mumbai Cricket Association, and we've got Vidarbha. My God, that's nice. And also, when you say Kranti Mahila Pratishthan Yuva Kabaddi Series,
Great.
16 teams come out from Maharashtra. Wow.
एब्सोल्युटली। और शायद गुजरात में भी ऐसा है, गुजरात क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन, सौराष्ट्र एंड बड़ौदा।
And Vadodara. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Gujarat also has 3. Fabulous, really fabulous. I love when sport goes like this, but I don't love when Sujit Sonkar does not find a way out.
Konar Kings.
Wow, Konar Kings have managed to nab him down for the first time, Navneet. He was really good, but now doesn't get an opening. There, Rajesh gets his tackle point, his brute force. His body is built for a defender's work, and he does it well.
ये राजेश। और बात करेंगे अजय मारवी ने 1 पॉइंट लिया है आज, और वही राजेश देवरी जो उनके काउंटर पार्ट है, उन्हें 5 रेड पॉइंट मिला है और अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता का प्रदर्शन करते हुए यहाँ पे राजेश वक्त का इंतजार कर रहे कि वो चीज के जैसे होगा वो अपने कोर्ट पे आएंगे, और अपने कोर्ट पे राजेश
Substitution.
पहुंच
Konar
गए हैं।
Kings. Jersey
Substitution।
number 17 in, 7 out.
What Ajay Maravi has not done today, it's I think complicated a little for the Champal challenges, but that complication has been nullified by Sujit Sonkar's entry. Because see, what we heard from Manish Yadav was, I think his right hand is an issue. Watch that. He's a left raider. Left hand is all fine. He's, I think, bandaged his right hand very heavily, Ajay Maravi. So that is why I think Manish asked him.
Escape. 2 points.
ठीक है.
Chambal challenges. Jersey number 3.
So he said,
17 out.
yeah, there. When you see the pain, even after getting those couple of points, his right shoulder or right hand is under a bit of a pain. And that to Bhupendra Raut, you need to anti-block him,
Substitution.
bulldoze him and go
Chambal
through.
challenges.
I guess Ajay Maravi will be substituted out.
12 out.
Yes, exactly. They're bringing in Hemant Sinha in place of Ajay Maravi. Manish Yadav needs to save his ace raider. I think that is why he's just scored 1 point before this. Now a couple of points or 3 points. So Sujit Sonkar and Hemant Sinha now need to really get the responsibilities right. And when Rajesh comes in, the defense needs to just leave him, just let him go, instead of going for the ankle hold and attempting something which is unnecessary. This is probably the last trade of the first half. It's a super tackle situation. Please come back, Lokesh Potre. You're not a raider. You don't have to give them 2 points. Yes,
Half time.
that's nicely
Change
done.
the court.
Into the super tackle situation. Sujit Sonkar. Now, this is a dicey situation, Navneet. If Sujit plans to come back empty-handed, the first do-or-die raid will come in for the Champal challenges. So I am kind of interested to see what will Sujit do. Probably try in this raid and then go back. And I'm very sure that Kamaraju Kadraka will not let go of any points. Yeah, now, if they can go in quickly, Rajesh, if he understands to inflict the do-or-die raid, cross the walk line and come back soon.
जी हाँ, यकीनी तौर पे 13 और 12 अगस्त को सेकेंड हाफ की खेल की बात हो गई है। 7 खिलाड़ी यहाँ मौजूद है। बोनस लाइन लेने का कोशिश, और यहाँ पे क्या मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किया या बाहर गए हैं?
2 points. Konar Kings.
Couple of points. Rajesh is part of a raider who will get points if the defense pounces on him. He will not come to you. If you go to him, he will bulldoze you like this. The idea was right. from Ravi Sahu from that left cover to go in with a chain tackle alongside with Hemant Sehwag. But then Rajesh is brute force. Even he did not break the chain, he just went through. I mean, so that's nice. So Sujit Sonkar, 4 points. All 4 touch points. He started off nicely, 3 consecutive raid points in 3 raids. Then he's kind of looked a little down.
नवीन, आपसे एक बहुत ही क्विक सवाल। चंबल चैलेंजर्स जो जर्सी है, ये जर्सी आपको किसी और जर्सी की याद दिलाती है क्या?
फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट
बहुत ही मतलब अगर आपके सोल्जर्स ऑरेंज रहे और मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी ब्लू रहे तो किस चीज की आपको याद दिलाती है?
My God.
What are they?
Right, we'll come back to that. I have no clue. Navneet will answer that. But Hemant Sinha comes into a do-or-die raid. Navneet, I have really no clue. I give it up. But then, Kamraju Kadraka does not give up so easy. You should have analyzed this. Kamraju Kadraka is the right corner. We're standing in right in. Hemant Sinha did not notice it. The pressure of do-or-die raid. Once again, succumbing to that pressure. Look at Kamraju Kadraka, where he is. He's in the right in. He's asked the right corner to be a raider. Biswajit just standing outside that right corner position. Good ploy by Kamraju Kadraka. And again,
Right round.
wow.
1 point.
The
Chambal Challengers.
blindedness of the raider is a problem here. Sujit Sonkar does really well with the tackle points. Karnakar has to go out. Navneet, what were you referring to?
I was referring to 29 June 2024 इंडिया T20 जर्सी, और इसी जर्सी में इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था। 16 और 12 अगस्त को करुणाकर बेहरा यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। 5 खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और इधर से उधर कर रहे हैं। नंबर 10 की जर्सी और यहाँ पे पोजीशन चेंज करते हुए कॉर्नर के खिलाड़ी और इनके खिलाड़ी वहाँ पे पोजीशन चेंज करना चाह रहे थे, लेकिन वक्त गुजर रहा है। करुणाकर को अपने घर वापस जाना पड़ेगा। जब शाम होती है तो चिड़िया जैसे अपने घर में वापस जाती है। करुणाकर बेहरा भी अपने घर चले गए।
Nice comparison. Yeah, let's see the T20 World Cup. Probably unexpected, or rather expected that India probably will go to the finals, especially when cricket was happening in the very virgin territory where cricket was not even watched. And it had a lot of issues with the weather, rain, everything trying to stop it. Nice that they got this back. But yeah, this time Sujit Sonkar, we will need to understand that he needs to stay on the mat. He can't be getting tackled out, especially when Ajay Banavi is not around. And the defense is giving away extra points to Rajesh. But you know what? Konark Kings' defense is more around. And Kunal Bhoi in the covers with Biswajit, covering them up very nicely. And look at this. Bhupendra Raut can also come in for a solitary raid. So he's supporting Rajesh in terms of coming in and having a raid as well. And he does not raid like a defender. He's almost raiding like a raider. Good footwork, good feet movement. Goes in deep, tries that toe touch, doesn't get anything, comes back. Wow.
What a
Now the do-or-die raid. What's happening here?
Right round. 1 point.
I think they flashed upon with 2 or 3 defenders. Hey, it was a do-or-die raid and Kim Chan just went in from nowhere. Oh, he wanted to surprise the defense. Tries the side kick, but then it was all Neeraj Sethi. Neeraj Sethi went in along with Biswajit, trying to keep things down. Navneet, this is a test. What do you think? Rajesh, can he come out with a do-or-die raid? Oh, again!
1 point.
Another defender tries to stop him
7 out.
and has given away points. Sujit Sonkar out of all.
Three.
ये 17 और 13 स्कोर, 13 मिनट का खेल, डू और डाई रेड यहाँ पे। और डू और डाई रेड में अक्सर जो रेडिंग टीम होती है उस पे प्रेशर होता है, रेडर पे प्रेशर होता है।
वेट
लेकिन उस प्रेशर को राजेश ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मतलब यहाँ पे संभाला है, क्योंकि टू डू और डाई रेड्स that he's gone in and he's been successful in both. I think probably Konark Kings have got two do or die raids. One was Rajesh and one I think it was Karnakar Behra or anyone else. Maybe they've got it right both the times. Lokesh Potre has now been substituted in, but again it's Rajesh. Super tackle situation. Can the Chambal challengers get a couple of points? If there are 3 or less than 3 defenders, if they nab the raider down, if they tackle him down, they get 2 points. Because 1 extra point for the effort. It's not easy to nab a raider with only 3 defenders, but Rajesh goes out empty-handed. I mean, now it is interesting that Rajesh will be coming in for the next do or die raid, and it's Konark Kings who will actually get the first do or die raid. If they can just understand this number challenges and go back quickly, inflict the do or die raid, because they are on a super tackle situation. It will be interesting. Lokesh Potre wastes a lot of time, comes back empty-handed. Rajesh will stand there and kill time. He will just stand there and kill time. He knows that they are ready for the do or die raid. Next raid will be the do or die raid for Konark Kings. If double challenges can go in and come back quickly, that'd be interesting to see with the super tackle situation on. See, he just needs to get a bonus point in this, probably the do or die raid, and then try and keep only 3 defenders. Don't try too much in this Lokesh Potre. The defense is very nicely swinging across like a coordinated pendulum. There, he's wasting time. Ah, beautiful turn towards the lobby. Only 1 point, probably.
Chambal challengers.
Yes.
That's the number
But then
77
that
out.
turn helped him a lot. Biswajit Jana needs to go back.
Wait. Do or die. Do or die.
ये इस वक्त राजेश गए हैं और 4 खिलाड़ियों का घर रहता है तो मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। पैरों को पकड़ा और फोर्स के साथ सफाया कर दिया है।
3.
Amazing, magnanimous, and marvelous. The defense is not realizing that you should not attack Rajesh. It was a do or die raid. Second time consecutively.
3 points.
It's a super raid
Kings.
for the
That's the number
squad lad.
15. 33.
Amazing.
3 out.
Yeah, there we go. Those are all the numbers, the culprit numbers. That's the problem there. Chambal challenges, you shouldn't have attacked him first.
Kings.
Ravi Sahu gets it. Everybody else tries to think
Substitution.
that you
Chambal
will
challenges.
be able to nab Rajesh down. It is not
14.
happening.
17 out.
Okay, now they need a raider. They are bringing in Bhiman. Rajesh, he's got his super 10. Now last man standing for Chambal challenges. I mean, I think the Chambal's defense is about to blame themselves here. I don't see any heroic moves here from Rajesh. It might be considered as India won Kabaddi Kamal moment for that super raid attempt by Rajesh. But again, that was the defense digging its own grave.
Right out.
And
Bonus
here,
point.
as
Chambal
expected,
challengers. Right out.
Bhiman also
1 plus to
just
3
gets the
points.
bonus
Konark Kings.
and accepts the all out.
Chambal challengers. All in. Chambal challengers. Substitution. Chambal challenges.
इस बार फिर से यहाँ ऑल आउट
That's
हो
number
गई
12
है।
in. 20 out.
कोणार्क के जो किंग्स है वो अपना दबदबा यहाँ पर इस मैच में बनाते हुए 9 मिनट का अभी भी खेल है। नवीन चंबल चैलेंजर्स के पास वापसी करने का मौका रहेगा, लेकिन जिस तरीके से राजेश देवरी और उनके टीममेट्स ने यहाँ प्रदर्शन किया है, लगातार प्रेशर बनाते हुए, और चंबल चैलेंजर्स खुल करके नहीं खेल रहे, खुल करके खेलना बहुत बहुत जरूरी।
शायद इसके लिए अजय मरावी को वापस भेजा गया मैच पे. That is the reason why he is coming. Number 12. There you go, the captain of Chambal Challenges, Ajay Maravi. Come on in place of Demon Curve. Just to, I think, get the points going in. Oh, the dangling hand was pulled back. He tried everything that he can, Ajay Maravi. But then it was of no use. It was really going down the drain. First, he went in for a falling hand touch on the left cover. Once again, it was Kamraju Katraka with a back hold, and then the dangling hand. Kunal Bhoy pulls it back. There's Ajay Maravi. Enough. Just go back to the bench where you came from. I mean, how bad it is of the Chambal Challengers to go attack Rajesh Debrui every time. He's not looked like as if he's good. He's never given me that confidence at all as a raider. But then it was all Chambal Challengers who's gone in and just given away points in deep.
एब्सोल्युटली, और मेरा मानना है कि अगर राजेश को अंदर आने दिया जाए, क्योंकि देखिए मोमेंटम की अक्सर बात करते हैं, मास एंड वेलोसिटी की बात करते हैं, जो मास को वेलोसिटी से आप वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन होती है, तो आप राजेश को अपने डायरेक्शन में आने दीजिए। आप जब अटैक करते हैं तो राजेश के लिए बेनिफिट हो जाता है, जैसा मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
Yeah, now another duo tie. This is the third time that he's coming in. He was tackled only once in the first half. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at how many defenders go to dash him.
That's number 10 out.
Yeah, again on that right corner. Why do you go? Why do you have to go touch him? See, look at this. Look where the first move is. He's just attempting a fake bonus. That's all. That's all he's trying to do. And Kemchand Porte on that right corner had no. They've got like 11-point lead. Just be there and play the timeout. That's all is Biswajit Padajana spoke to. But it should be clear for the Chambal Challengers also. Now it has to be Sujit who needs to go there, get quick bonus points. No, he's not got it. He's not been awarded. And they should understand that there are 2 reviews per half. And look at Rajesh Navneet. Goes in, has a nice little Sunday morning walk, gets his trousers and t-shirts tightened up on the opposition squad, crosses the walk line, comes back. He can do all this just because Chambal Challengers defenders today have just awarded him with a lot of unnecessary tackles and advanced hasty ones. Yeah, now see the duo tie. And look at the attack that came into Sujit. Wow! Strong Kamraju Katraka's back, which converted to be a tie hold. All credits to the defense also of the Konark Kings. Yes, Rajesh has been given away a lot of points by the Chambal Challengers, but don't forget, it's also the defense of the Konark Kings which has helped them. Because Sujit came in, started off nicely with 4 consecutive raid points, and after that he's just kept everything quiet against the Konark Kings defense.
यकीनी तौर पे, और यहाँ पे जल्दी से चंबल चैलेंजर्स ने एक रेड कंप्लीट किया। फिर से राजेश देवरी आ रहे हैं। राजेश, अब आप उनके वॉक में कॉन्फिडेंस देख सकते हैं। उन्हें पता है कि कोई अर्जेंसी नहीं है, उन्हें बस टाइम वेस्ट करना है। और जब आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में होते हैं तो नवीन, हम सभी कॉन्फिडेंट रहते हैं।
Totally. Whoa! Look at that! He is speedy for sure. He wants another point. He is very confident. Is Rajesh Dehrui. He is speedy. He might not look that tall, lean Raider look. I think they are going in for the couple of points. Rajesh is very sure that there were 2 touch points.
Let us step 2 points. Please go back. TV umpire, Konar King challenge 2 points. Our decision 1 point. Please review.
First, he went in for the hand touch towards the right flank. Now, the defender in question is actually Ravi Sahu. Now, what's here? He tries for that toe touch first. I think, Navneet, this is the only time that he's gone in for a jumping hand touch towards the right corner. I don't think so he's got it. He's claiming in the toe touch, not the hand touch. He's claiming in the toe touch on Hemant Sinha. Wow, this is mind games here by Rajesh Dehroi, because I'll tell you what, Hemant Sinha is the only Raider left on court for the Chambal Challengers. He's gone in for the review just to make people believe that he's attacked Hemant Sinha, the lone Raider of the Chambal Challengers, on the mat. A definite point from Lokesh Porte. See, again here, Lokesh Porte has gone through
Thank you, sir.
with a follow-through attack
Unsuccessful.
from behind.
1 point.
Unsuccessful.
Konar Kings.
Yeah. He
Konar
just
Kings,
wanted to
your
make
review, no
everybody
more review.
believe that he's got a Raider. Thankfully, Hemant Sinha is saved. Very good decision again from the television umpire. What's this? No toe touch there. It was the distance between Orissa and the Chambal Ghats. It was so far. Or rather, Chambal Mountains, I should say.
शायद चंबल की घाटियां और
Bonus
ये
point,
27
चंबल
सत्रह
चैलेंजर्स।
का और मात्र 4 मिनट फिर से एक बार डू और डाई रेड यहाँ पे राजेश देवरी
Correct. But correction that this is not a do or die raid. I think we are
Yeah,
sorry
yeah.
for that graphic. No, see, Navneet, the previous point, Hemant Sinha went in with a bonus point. So that is nice. Now, Rajesh has got an empty raid. Quickly run in, get the balk line, come back. Inflict a do or die raid on the Konark Kings. If Hemant Sinha can think that, that'll be really nice. Come back, that's enough. 3.5 minutes left. Yeah, that's enough. You can come back because the do or die raid will happen to the Konark Kings now first. Nah, they are not thinking that way. They're not thinking that way. And in that process, thankfully, Hemant Sinha has got a couple of points.
1 point. Chambal Challengers.
Oh, only one.
1 review.
And now Chambal needs a review for a 2-pointer. I thought it's 2 points. Navneet, what did you feel? First
Yes,
instance.
please come. What is your challenge? 2 points.
it
Please go.
definitely felt 2
TV umpire,
points.
Chambal Challenger challenge 2 points. Our decision 1 point. Please review.
It definitely did. Especially Kamraju Kadraka, who was actually initiating the tackle. When the kick was on, there was no touch there. The left cover came in. Yeah, after the contact, they both used the lobbies. Now, Kamraju Kadraka is the man under question. Did he touch Hemant Sinha? Legs. I think the legs, not the hands. It's the legs. Just 1 frame back if we roll back. There. That is the touch. That's the faint touch of Hemant Sinha's legs onto the knees of Kamraju Kadraka. It looks like 2 points. I hope even the television umpire is thinking like what we are thinking here. Yeah, that is where Hemant Sinha actually was very confident of those 2 points.
Review successful. Let us say
Lovely.
2 points. Chambal Challengers. Captain, retain your
Very
view.
timely review and another very good decision from the television umpire.
13.
See, here there is no touch. Kunal Boy comes in from the left cover. Everything was fine. There. That's the touch. That's the kick while he was escaping. Kamraju Kadraka didn't move back. Navneet, do you think the train has passed the Chambal station or is there still time?
I feel it's still time. You never know,
But yeah,
and you never say never.
yeah, even I had that. Yeah, you need to have that trusted partner now to come across in Ajay Maravi. It's the last 3 minutes. 10-point deficit. If there is an all-out that can be inflicted, that'd be really nice. Beautiful, Ajay Maravi.
Shape. 1 point.
Agile,
Challenges.
fast,
Jesse number
and
3 out.
also gets Bhupender Raut. The block doesn't happen, and Ajay Maravi escapes.
3. Boarding.
Now, at least now, stop attacking him. Last 2 minutes and the last 3 raids that he's come in for a do-or-die raid, every time the defense has gone in to attack him. See, Navneet, he just fakes a bonus. He doesn't even attempt a bonus. He just fakes it. That's all. And he just relies on his brute force. That's the way. Need to tackle the big fish down.
1 point.
Oh, they've
Number
got him.
challenges.
They've caught him in the big nets of the chain tackle.
Substitution. Konark Kings.
Very good work.
One lead.
Very good work from the defense
17
of the
out.
Jumble. Especially the left cover that came in. Ravi Sahu. Nice work. Navneet, now I start to believe that there is something happening for the Jumble challenges. I'm sorry it's not a do-or-die raid. There's another point from Ajay Maravi.
Point.
Going in with those quick raids. Got the
Number
point.
challenges.
Yeah, you've got the point.
One review.
Why a review? Biswajit Jana has been given out. Oh, hang on. Has
Please come.
Santosh Kumar Parikh stepped into the lobby?
Please go back.
Wait, number 12, I think I stepped into the
Remember,
lobby. Santosh Kumar
Jumble
Parikh.
challenger challenge. 2 points. 1 defender out of bound. Just remember 12 out. Please review.
Wow, Navneet, something happening here. The all-out is probably evident. If Santosh Kumar Parikh is stepped into the lobby, there is another touch point that's already been given in. Now watch this. Where is Santosh Kumar Parikh? Oh, Navneet, is he in the lobby or out? He's stepping on the white line for sure. He's definitely stepping on the white line.
Absolutely, very, very, very close. I think we only need to look at Santosh, the 12 number judge.
The touch point was definitely there. There is no doubt on Neeraj Kumar Sethi. That is confirmed for Ajay Maravi. The touch point is there. The question is out of what?
Unsuccessful. 1 point. Jumble challengers. Captain, your reviews.
I'll
or
tell you
no
why.
reviews?
Lovely. I'll tell you why the review was unsuccessful. In Kabaddi, we don't believe in touching the line. We believe in crossing the line. That is the rule. Santosh Kumar Parikh was stepping on the white line of the lobby. He had to cross the white line, step into that pink zone. Or that is the only reason why the review was unsuccessful. Very close, yet so far. But good work from Ajay Maravi. He's going in with quick raids. Now stop giving points here to Karnakar Pehra. Send him back. Now Ajay Maravi will run in. Super tackle situation. Navneet, if the all-out is inflicted, that'd be really nice. Ankle hold. Can he get the all-out? Oh, that's a lovely ankle hold. Pull him back. The struggle is still on. He can still do it. The struggle is still on. The whistle hasn't come out yet. The whistle will not come out, and that's the all-out. Amazing. This is India 1. The Kabaddi Kamal moment of the match. This definitely is the Kabaddi Kamal moment for the first 2 days of edition 11 for me. Amazing struggle and a lovely escape.
एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक। आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे मध्य रेखा की तरफ जा रहे थे, उनके गले से पकड़ लिया गया, अजय फंस गए थे। इंडिया 1 ATM कमाल मोमेंट। अगर आप देखेंगे और एक वक्त ऐसा लगा कि मछली जाल में फंस गई थी।
That's the man. Yeah. See, Santosh Kumar Parikh, Navneet. Santosh Kumar Parikh is the man who got the ankle hold. It was against him. They lost the review. Such a big turning point. This. Now what are they thinking? It's a confused lot. It's a definite confused lot. Manish Yadav says only just get the bonus point. That might not work. You need to stop this man. Probably his last raid of the match. You just need to stop this man.
ये इंतजार करना पड़ेगा राजेश
Worthy
को मौका
force.
नहीं देना
All
पड़ेगा
out. Yeah. Correct.
28
Sami seeing the first tie. If Ajay Baravi goes and gets 3 points, that will be the first tie of edition 11. What say? What say? They don't want a tie. They don't want a tie. A defender comes out of the back line, surrenders himself, and Biswajit Jana, the captain himself, goes out. That's good thinking. That's very good thinking. Now Rajesh can go in and have the walk. Guard the back line, guys. Come on. Guard the back line. Don't let him cross the back line to make the raid legal. He's not crossed the back line. He's gone in, crossed the midline. He's standing there. One more point. Even then, Jumble Challengers will not win. They shouldn't have let that happen now. They shouldn't have let that happen. It's not a do or die. An ankle hold done in. End of the match.
Right out. 1
They
point.
lose the match
Jumble
by just
Challengers.
1 point. Jumble Challengers. What a lovely fight back this. I really love when teams come back from behind.